everyone, this is Aurora with DawnDuskDesigns. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today you will learn 2 easy DIY projects for Easter. So without further ado, let's get started. For this project you will need egg picks, an assorted glitter set, tacky glue, a paintbrush, a small container for the glue, paper, acrylic sealer gloss finish. Hi everyone, welcome once again. So today you will learn how to improve store-bought Easter decorations. So I recently went to Dollar Tree and I saw these little egg decorations and thought they were super cute. But for some reason, I think, at least from my perspective, the colors look a little dull. So I thought, how can I improve these decorations? Because they are beautiful, to say the least. It's just the color for me, and I don't know if it's the quality of the glitter or how they glued it on or how they applied it on the egg, but I thought, you know, I think I can do an easy DIY showing people how to improve these, especially when this was only $1 and 4 of them come in the bag. So I thought it would be super fun to do so. So we're going to use some really fun and vibrant glitter that I recently purchased from Michael's. As you can see, there's an assortment of colors and it'll be fun to choose similar colors to those of the egg decorations. So I'm gonna open up this package, and because there's 4 of them in here, I want to maximize time and only decorate one so that I can show you the concept in this video. So this is what they look like, and they're so pretty, but I know I can definitely improve them. As you can see, there's still some type of glue residue or thread sticking out. I'm not sure what that is, but anyways, this is what they look like. So I chose eggplant, jewels, lemon citron, and watermelon. So I'm placing the glitter right next to each other so that you can see the color variant. And again, the purpose behind this is to make these from dull to bold and just make them more vibrant. So the first thing you want to do is pour the glue in your little container so that you can use the brush. Squeeze a generous amount of glue in your container. So you want to grab the ribbon and move it out of the way. Dip your brush in the glue and apply the glue over the egg with your brush. As you apply the glue over the egg, ensure that you get every single crevice. And this is actually extremely therapeutic, so I hope you guys enjoy doing this process as well. This is how the egg will look after applying one coat of glue. We finally reached my favorite part, where you sprinkle the glitter over the egg and apply a generous amount, and it's okay if the glitter falls on top of your paper. So just keep sprinkling away until the egg is completely covered with glitter. Use your fingertip to press down on the glitter to ensure that it's glued on. For this next step, you want to remove the lid, and we are going to pour the glitter back inside, and we're going to use the paper and kind of create a funnel type effect, and then just pour it right back in. That way you can reuse that same glitter. As you can see, we use very minimal glitter. Now this is bold. If you love glitter as much as I do, then you'll probably find this to be extremely mesmerizing and gorgeous, to say the least. For this final step, you want to use the acrylic sealer gloss finish. This one is fast drying, and the benefit is that it protects and it seals your glitter. So here it is. Let's do a final recap. Here's the before and after. Isn't that amazing? Just look at all the glistening glitter. So for those of you that love glitter, I'm zooming in so that you can see this up close and personal and enjoy every single piece of glitter that just glistens in front of your eyes. So there you have it. Here are the 4 colors, extremely bold and mesmerizing. Which of these is your favorite? Now that we're finished with this project, let's move on to the second one. For this project, you will need liquid starch, a 9-inch balloon,
crochet yarn, scissors, Easter grass, 2 Easter eggs, and Tupperware.
So the first balloon that I blew up was a 14-inch, and it's pretty big. I don't think I want to do one that huge. So we're gonna try this one, which is a 12-inch balloon. So let's see how this one turns out. Ooh, I like this one way better. So this looks more like an egg, to be honest with you. And it's a lot smaller. So we're gonna use this one. And hopefully my makeup didn't get all crazy.
So for this next step, we're gonna pour the liquid starch in the Tupperware. And if you want to hear a little backstory on this, believe it or not, I got this from Amazon because it was so hard to find at Target, at Walmart, and at CVS. So Amazon, you are a huge lifesaver. Thank you so much. Next, you want to remove the packaging and unravel the crochet thread. Put the crochet thread in like a coil, lay it on top of each other so it doesn't get tangled up, and ensure that it's fully saturated with liquid starch. The beauty of this step is that you can use a lot of thread or as little as you want, but you want to definitely cut the thread until you have reached the desired length, and then hold the end so you don't lose it in there. Next, you want to grab your balloon and start wrapping the thread around it. Continue to do this until you run out of your thread. Then use the Tupperware as a foundation to hold the balloon. It will also hold any liquid starch that drips. To make this Easter egg a lot fuller, we're going to add more thread around the balloon and repeat the same process. And the beauty of this is that you can use a lot of thread or as little as you want. So this is how it turned out after adding more thread to the balloon. And we're going to set it aside. But look how much dripped. Isn't that wild? So now we're going to keep track of how long it takes to dry.
So what I did was I cut a piece of thread and I tied it to the end of the balloon, and I hung it over my shower curtain rod so that this thing could dry. And it literally took about probably 12 hours or overnight for it to fully dry. Specifically the top part, what I noticed, it dried probably within 3 to 4 hours, but the bottom part was still super soaked, and I think this is the part that took the longest to dry. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop the balloon with scissors, and let's see what happens. Why does it want to pop? Uh-oh. Alright, so as you can see, it still maintains its form. As you can see, this is how it turned out. And I love that it still kept its shape, so it actually does look like an egg. The thing is, when I place it like this so it can sit, it kind of rolls over. Luckily, there's a few gaps, so you can see right here. So I'll be able to stick it in.
Next, you want to stuff it with the artificial grass and just eyeball it to the desired look you want. The idea behind this is to make it look like a small Easter basket.
So as you guys can see, it kept its shape like an Easter egg. And you guys can definitely set this on any type of furniture piece to have this decoration. A disclaimer or something that I would do differently is add more yarn so that there aren't too many gaps and it's a little fuller and the grass doesn't poke through. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Have a happy Easter, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Today's Spanish word of the day is huevo, which means egg. So repeat after me, huevo. Thank you so much for joining me in today's journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY project. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite DIY.